everybody, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Today we're going to be trying the product Kerosene. Literally having a hard time not throwing up right now. This, let's just go give it a try. Come on. We have our Petri dish. We have our Kerosene. We're gonna go ahead and dump some in there, leave it on for about 20 minutes and see if it kills the lice. Let's give it a try. Nose. There's 2 lids on it, that's for a reason. I'm not gonna breathe. So insane. Oh gosh. Oh. No. Just breathe 3 rounds.
You can go. You can go if you want.
I had to step out here because of the smell. We're gonna leave them in for 20 minutes. Anybody who puts that on their kid's hair is nuts. But it happens. People do, that's why I'm doing this. So we're gonna take the bugs out of the Kerosene. And see what happens.
I'll cut that part.
So as you can see, we used the Kerosene and it actually did. It killed everything. This is not a good treatment. I wouldn't recommend it. Putting Kerosene on your head is actually a treatment that they used to use during the war. It did work. It killed all the bugs. Not sure if it really killed all the eggs. Probably had to kill most of those out. But list of side effects. Anything from mild skin irritation. We did look the side effects of Kerosene up all the way to death. Probably have to inhale that for those side effects. But you guys, Kerosene is not a good option for treatment. So we don't recommend this, especially when there are safe treatment options available. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them. And we hope you have a happy and lice-free day.
Kerosene, this one is Kerosene.